Modern factories rely heavily on connected machines, making them more vulnerable to cyber attacks. One major challenge is the rapid expansion of IoT devices across factory floors. These connected devices often lack strong security, making them easy targets. Legacy equipment creates cybersecurity gaps because they were not designed for online connectivity. Hackers exploit outdated operating systems and unpatched software in factories. Ransomware is one of the biggest threats to manufacturing operations. When ransomware hits, production can stop instantly, costing millions. Phishing attacks often target factory employees through email or fake login pages. Insider threats are also a concern, whether intentional or accidental. Weak passwords remain a simple but critical cybersecurity weakness. Attackers often scan factory networks for open ports and vulnerabilities. Industrial control systems, ICs, are prime targets for cybercriminals. If an ICS is breached, machines can malfunction or be shut down remotely. Supply chain vulnerabilities create indirect paths for cyberattacks. Attackers sometimes compromise suppliers to inject malware into factories. Remote access systems can be exploited if not properly secured. Cybercriminals target factories because disruptions create urgent pressure to pay ransoms. Factories often prioritize production speed over cybersecurity, increasing risks. Lack of employee training makes social engineering attacks highly effective. Many factories lack dedicated cybersecurity staff or monitoring systems. Continuous monitoring is essential to detect abnormal machine behavior early. Data theft is another threat, especially for factories handling sensitive designs. Cyberattacks on factories can cause physical damage to equipment. Attackers may also attempt to alter product quality through data tampering. Modern factories must balance efficiency with strong digital protection. Implementing multi-layer security helps reduce vulnerabilities. Regular software updates are essential to patch known security flaws. Strong network segmentation prevents attackers from moving freely inside systems. Factories must secure both IT systems and OT systems to ensure full protection. OT systems are often harder to secure because they prioritize uptime over security. Cyberattacks can spread quickly because many factory devices are deeply interconnected. Malware can move from one compromised sensor to an entire production line. One challenge is the lack of unified security platforms for industrial environments. Shadow. It also increases risks when workers use unauthorized devices or apps. Cyber attackers may target factory robots to manipulate movement or cause errors. Data integrity is crucial because factories rely on accurate real-time information. If sensor data is altered, machines may operate at unsafe levels. Downtime from cyberattacks can interrupt supply chains and delay deliveries. Modern factories require real-time threat detection to prevent major damage. AI-based monitoring helps identify unusual machine behavior. However, AI systems themselves must be protected from data poisoning attacks. Network firewalls help prevent unauthorized access attempts. Factories should isolate critical machines to reduce cyber risks. Encryption ensures that data transmitted across the factory network remains safe. Regular cybersecurity training helps workers recognize threats early. Many cyber incidents are preventable with simple awareness and vigilance. Security audits help factories identify weaknesses before attackers do. Penetrations testing allows factories to simulate real cyberattacks safely. Multi-factor authentication strengthens access control across factory systems. Access control should limit each user to only what they truly need. Physical security protects servers and control rooms from on-site tampering. Backup systems ensure factories can recover quickly after an attack. Off-site backups protect critical data even if the main site is compromised. Incident response plans help teams react fast and minimize damage. Cooperation between cybersecurity teams and operations teams is essential. Cybersecurity investments are critical to protect productivity and safety. As factories become smarter, cybersecurity must evolve rapidly to keep up. Staying secure requires awareness, technology, and continuous improvement.